Welcome to TechY2K. In this technical guide, I am going to show you how to download Windows 10 ISO. First, go to this URL. You can find this URL in the description area. Then download the Media Creation tool. After complete the download, run the Media Creation tool. Accept the license terms. Now select the Create Installation Media. Now you have to select Language, Architecture, and Edition. In this technical guide, I am going to download Windows 10 ISO file, as used for any type of installation. Select the bit architecture as both. Now select Media as ISO file. Select the file location for download the file. Now, Windows 10 ISO file is downloading. This is the downloaded Windows 10 ISO file. Right-click on the file and you can directly burn this to a disk. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.